Are you thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, but you don't want to buy a house, you want to rent a house first? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can get access to rental properties and apartments. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma or the surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw and I am a local real estate agent here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And my team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help buying or selling their home in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Before we dive in on the computer, I am going to tell you that I don't do rental properties, but what I do is you can reach out to me and say, this is what I want to rent, and I can put you in a search and I can show you properties that come on the MLS. What you're going to find when you look on Zillow, when you look on Facebook, which are places that I'm going to suggest that you go, there can be scams. So you can't be 100% sure that a rental property is actually a rental property. We don't get, in Oklahoma, rentals, or in the Tulsa area, rentals aren't really a thing that a lot of realtors do, but they are listed in the MLS. We certainly don't have every property, but the properties that we have are going to be legit because you have to be a member of our MLS to put them in. And that means that you have to be a member of, the Oklahoma Real Estate Association and the National Association of Realtors. So you're not going to get scammed. I can't say 100%, but the likelihood of you getting scammed on that is like almost nothing. You can reach out to me, we can talk about what you want, and then I can set you up on a search so you have access to rental properties. That way you can know by school district and all that, which I'm getting ready to show you. So let's just say I want to look at rentals in Tulsa County, in Creek County. And we have 176 rentals that come up. There's also Wagner County, Pawnee County, several other counties we could spread out in, depending on the school district you wanted to be. And if you have questions about possibly where you want to rent, I have several videos about different suburbs of Tulsa. I have a video in schools specifically too. There's research that you can do on your own if school systems are important to you, but let's just look at a few of the results. Berryhill is its own school district. It's in Tulsa. It's a good school district. We don't have a photo, but you've got a small 3-bedroom, 1-bath, roughly 1,000 square foot that is $1,400.
Let's see if we can get something with a picture.
Bixby, one of the top schools in Oklahoma, and that's one thing. If you've been researching Oklahoma at all, you know that the Tulsa area has a lot of the top school systems in Oklahoma. So the highest rated school systems, a lot of the highest rated school systems are in the Tulsa area. Owasso, Bixby, Jenks, Broken Arrow. Let's see here. In Bixby, it looks like the least expensive is $1,650. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,485 square feet. It looks like you've got that luxury vinyl tile, carpet, nice. It's a nice house. That's in Robinson Ranch. You want to get in the higher, or let's go mid-level, 1,850. Similar house, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2020, so newer construction, almost 1,700 square feet for 1,850. Nice, clean, nice looking property, Bixby schools. And let's go your highest price one. So more of an executive rental, $5,800 a month, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,800, 47 square feet. You're gonna have a little acreage on this, and a pool. So here we have for the executives rental. And then let's go to Broken Arrow. Our least expensive house in Broken Arrow is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,200 square feet, built in 1979, 1,450. $1,995. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet. Looks like it's been updated. And let's go to a little bit more expensive. The most expensive one is $2,850. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,750 square feet, $2,850 a month. This is a new construction. There you go. Collinsville is going to be a smaller school, and Collinsville isn't really like too small of a school. You're a little bit more rural, but you're not the 6A school. I think Collinsville is, I don't know if they're 4A or 5A, but I mean, it's a good school. So I didn't go over this with you. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,250 square feet, $1,750. And, you know, there's the more rural areas, you're going to be less rentals in those areas. Not a lot of pictures. Drumright or apartments. Drumright is going to be very, very rural. I think you're going to be about 40 minutes from Tulsa. So you got a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 690 square foot apartment for $750. I don't know where this apartment. There's a tech school in Drumright. There's a Central Tech in Drumright, which is a nice Central Tech. And that looks like, you know, a nice clean apartment.
Glenpool is your 5A school system, so a little smaller, just on the outskirts of Tulsa, 10-15 minutes away from Tulsa. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, rent for $1,500. Let's check out the pictures. Oops, sorry, they're so small. It's a nice little house. This one is a newer construction, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,600 square foot, $2,200. New finishes, new construction, so, you know, very nice. Jenks, highly rated school. This is going to be a condo, so $1,100, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, roughly 1,100 square feet. Sorry guys, on these itty bitty pictures, when they entered them in, they just didn't do the sizing right. So we're not going to keep looking at that. We'll look at a house, not a condo. $1,250. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,192 square feet. There you go. It's not a bad house. Go to mid-level, let's say 1,700. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square feet, 1,695. A little older, looks nice and clean. Not very many pictures. And then your most expensive home to rent is $4,000. 4-bedroom, 3 full, 1 half bath, 3,597 square feet at $4,000 a month. There you go. Nice home there. And you know, with interest rates the way that they are, unfortunately, renting is cheaper than buying a house. And that rent keeps climbing too. Affordability is impossible for some people, some families. It's just not in the cards right now with interest rates in the 8s. But I watch Market Report and Deep Dive every week, and it just talks about the difference between somebody who's renting and somebody who's buying, like their net worth over time. And it's huge. And right now, I think it was $484,000 as an average, the difference between renters and people that are renting, and then people who are buying. And it did put that into different income areas too. So it changed based on how much you earn. I understand why people rent. When I was younger, I had to rent. Situations where you have to, and especially in this economy and this environment. But, over time, if you're doing it, maybe because you're waiting for the market to crash or you're waiting for rates to go down, sometimes I would say, yes, definitely. Sometimes I would say, well, what's going to happen when rates go down because we have all this pent up people waiting on the sidelines? It's going to make prices go higher again, which really isn't good, for the market. Like, we need them to stabilize. It's good that they're actually not appreciating so much like they were, because that's literally unsustainable. I'm just sorry, I'm getting off on that tangent. I'm just saying, if you're not buying because you're waiting on the sidelines, talk it out. Let's look at some numbers. It might be best for you. It might not, but it's just really sad, because I think with affordability, definitely where the American dream was to be able to buy your own house, it's getting harder and harder at certain income levels, and that's sad. Okay, sorry. Back to rentals. Okay, Owasso. Jenks, top school, also top school. $1,495, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,331 square feet. Oh, that's a cute little house. 2-bedroom. That's something you don't find in Oklahoma a lot. There's not a lot of 2-bedrooms. Now, apartments, yes. Houses, no. Mid-level in Owasso. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,962 square feet for $1,895. Pictures aren't fantastic, but nice yard. Looks like a nice house. Okay, and then our most expensive house in Owasso was $2,940, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,344 square feet. Okay, very nice. Okay, and we've got Sand Springs. That's a townhouse for $895, 2-bedroom, 1 full, 1/2 bath, 1,040 square feet. Small little townhouse, but $895. Then we've got duplexes, and then let's just look at the house. 1,700, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,689 square feet for $1,700. Let's take a look. Looks like it has a basement, clean. All right. Okay, Sapulpa, 1,500, 3-bedroom, 1 full, 1/2 bath, 1,742 square feet. Is that it in Sapulpa? 2,300 was our highest. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So again, you're not going to see 1,878 square feet for 2,300. You're not going to see every single rental there is, because a lot of people don't put their rentals on the MLS. There you go. But again, these are legit ones. Oh, I also have property managers. So I've got a relationship with a handful of property managers that have properties, and they don't put all of those on the MLS either. So I can get you those numbers, and those people, property managers, those would be legit. Okay, Skiatook is like Collinsville, like a smaller school, a little bit more rural. There's Skiatook Lake, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,140 square feet. Cute house, but it's a 2-bedroom, 1,300. Okay, then you got Tulsa, and you're going to have all types in all areas, and you're just going to think that there's great areas of Tulsa, and they're not. And so, you have to research. You can look on the websites and look at crime and things. But this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, $640, or 640 square feet for $625 a month. Okay, I'm going to look at the map for Tulsa. Okay, rentals as far as like downtown, like you're in the IDL. I bet you these are in Central Park. Yep, 2,200 or $2,200 for 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,440 square feet. Do you have to pay? Okay, so that includes the condo fees, and the condo fees at Central Park are like $500 or more. They're cool. I wish that they would take care of the outside more, but they've got a workout room, they've got laundry facilities, they've got a clubhouse, they've got a a little grocery store. You're in you're by the BOK Center, so you're in down like the interdispersal loop. So there's a lot of attractions around. All right, Pearl. What does Pearl have? Check this one out. 975, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,055 square feet. Okay, that's all the pictures. Kendall Whittier area, super up and coming. 3 bedroom, 1 bath, 1,633 square feet. You got your little gingerbread house. It's been redone. There's going to be so much in Tulsa. And Tulsa remote, you have to have a house that you're purchasing in Tulsa city limits or living in Tulsa city limits. There you go. But just because you're in Tulsa School District doesn't mean just because you're not in Tulsa School District doesn't mean you're not in Tulsa city limits, because there are areas of Jenks that are in Tulsa city limits. There's areas of Broken Arrow that are in Tulsa city limits. 3 bedroom, 1 bath, 1,526 square feet at $1,800. So we've established that there's some good rental properties that you can get on the MLS. You can go to Facebook groups. There's my cute family. That was 8 or 9 years ago. But let's search Facebook for Tulsa rental properties. Tulsa rental homes. There's those kind of things you can search. You just have to be careful. And that's nothing that I can verify for you. You can look on Facebook, but just be very, very, very aware. I was talking to someone that called me from YouTube and put them on a rental search, and they had sent money to somebody and got scammed. You have to be so careful.
I hope that was helpful. Renting in town for a while can be a good way to get to know the area. There's pros and cons to it. You have to move 2 times, but sometimes you can really get a feel for the area and know where you want to live. Again, I hope this was helpful, and if you're looking for a rental, reach out. I'll be glad to hook you up so that you get a list. And if you're looking to buy a house here in Tulsa or one of our surrounding suburbs, reach out to me too. You'll talk to me, you'll talk to somebody on my team, and we would love to show you around town.